Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to play Clash of Clans on your Chromebook. First, ensure your device supports Android applications, as this is crucial for running mobile games smoothly. Most newer Chromebook models come with Google Play Store access enabled by default, but it is always wise to confirm this setting. Navigate to your device settings to verify Android app support, which is typically found under the Apps section, before proceeding with the installation. Once you have confirmed Android app support, open the Google Play Store on your Chromebook. You can find this icon in your app launcher, typically a colorful triangle. Use the search bar at the top to type Clash of Clans, then select the official game from the search results. Click the prominent Install button and wait for the game to download and set up, which usually takes just a few minutes depending on your internet speed. After installation, launch Clash of Clans from your app launcher. You will be prompted to log in. Use your Supercell ID or Google Play Games account to retrieve your existing village in progress. For the best experience, visit the in-game settings to adjust graphic quality, often found under More Settings, to a lower or medium option if you notice any lag. Your mouse provides excellent precision for troop deployment and base building. If you encounter any performance issues, such as occasional stuttering or slow loading times, try clearing the Clash of Clans app cache through your Chromebook's app settings. A simple restart of your Chromebook can also resolve persistent crashing or freezing. Always ensure you have a strong, stable internet connection, preferably Wi-Fi, for the best online gameplay experience. Now, enjoy building your village and battling on the bigger screen.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.